I can't see.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. TGB family, what's good? Oh, that was good energy, bro. TBG, TBG, TBG. All right, ready? TBG family, what's good? You know, with Thanksgiving right around the corner, what we want to talk about today is turkey.
Don't be a turkey.
Today we're going to be cooking turkey in 3 different ways. Number 1, frying. Number 2, sous vide. And 3, it's just going to be your classic oven roasted. We scoured the internet for the best turkey recipes out there based on those cooking methods. And we're going to blind test them against one another to see which turkey recipe you should be serving your family on Thanksgiving Day. Last but not least, whoever loses this competition is going to have to rock this hot turkey mask, not only for the remainder of this video, but in the next video to come. So let's see who has the best turkey recipe out there.
I'm right-handed though.
Okay.
Yo, you take it as he gives it to you.
What is this? We live in America, okay? We don't just take it. Wait. Oh. Oh.
So what do you guys think?
No, this is good.
Let's talk about taste.
Wow.
I'm starving.
Well, what's good about it?
So the meat is it's like juicy. It's a little bit salty, but I think like it's pretty good, right? And I can't distinguish it from like chicken meat. The skin though, I think it's a little bit crunchy, but it's rubbery. Like it's not.
Really?
It didn't break apart for me. Yeah, at least for me.
Oh, I thought it was really crunchy.
That was really good.
Yeah, I don't know. Overall, man, I think I don't think this was turkey.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like
I
turkey.
think this is a bad chicken.
Wow,
the best way to
Yeah,
put
for
it.
sure. It doesn't taste like turkey at all. Like the texture is
Yeah.
very chicken-like. But man, the skin, it's like hard, but not like, it's not like fried chicken skin. You know what I mean?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
it doesn't tear off. It's not like, just like kind of melt.
Isn't
like
fried
crunchy,
chicken
but
skin
no.
usually breaded? Chicken skin is usually breaded, that's why it's crunchy.
Oh, but
No,
like
no,
if you
I'm
eat
not
it
saying
without,
it wasn't
though.
crunchy. I'm just saying it was rubbery. Like it didn't rip off easily. It didn't like disintegrate quick.
I think turkey skin has something in it. It's a little different from chicken.
Yeah.
How many of you guys actually like turkey?
Anybody
Did
raise
anyone
Okay,
raise
so
their hand?
nobody likes turkey.
turkey is really good.
Okay.
November, 4th week of November.
I agree.
That's it.
Right around the
That's
the
the
Thursday
only
to
time.
Friday air time. Yeah.
That's the only time I eat turkey.
So how does this turkey that you just bit into different from like the turkey you guys normally accustomed to?
It doesn't taste like the turkey you eat at Thanksgiving.
Yeah, because normally it's dry and terrible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think it was juicy. Usually
this is-
turkey
yeah,
is
this
dry.
was really good.
This one I said was actually pretty juicy.
Yeah.
Man, you guys
That's
trying to
really
get
good.
some more?
Yo, I literally ate everything off.
Yeah.
the
Hold on.
Yeah.
We got 2 more dishes.
Okay.
dishes.
I like it.
Yeah,
I like
man.
it because it was served to me. I don't have to
So you're
do-
saying
I
you're
didn't have to
bougie?
do- I didn't have to do cutting. I
Okay.
just have to poke and eat.
Uh-huh.
Put it, that's great.
Yeah.
I like the full service. Can
All right.
we go to the second one?
Yeah,
I'm hungry.
we'll go. All right, boys.
Oh, it's good?
All right,
Number
this
2?
is turkey number 2.
Oh, this one's a little heavier. It's more.
I don't know, man. I think this might have been yours, Dave. I don't know, man. This.
I think smell-wise, it smells.
Oh, you're smelling. I didn't even
No, I
smell
haven't
it.
ate mine. Okay. This is what typical Thanksgiving turkey tastes like. Except
My mouth is so dry now.
there's an incredible amount of butter in this thing. To the point where, like,
Is that
my
what
mouth
makes
has
it?
like a film around it. Yeah.
Whoever made this turkey didn't baste it. They didn't put like love and care into it. It's a little too dry. You know
Oh,
what I
so
mean?
if you put more love and care into
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
it's not
it's
as
juicy.
dry?
Yeah,
Oh, I
it's
didn't know
juicy.
that.
Oh.
But whenever I was growing up, my turkeys are all dry.
Maybe you're giving up
Does that
love
mean?
and care.
Does
Yeah.
that mean?
You neglected your turkey, man.
After Young was done eating, they pull out the secret turkey.
So yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Oh, holy
Well,
crap.
but one thing I have to say, this tastes better, I think, than the first one. Not the
Which
texture. Whatever the first bite I had, I don't know what it was.
No, but like the skin or the meat?
No, the meat that we just got the first one.
Hold
It's just so dry, dude. You know what I'm saying? I just tried swallowing that piece of meat,
No, this is it's dry.
but it tastes better. Like
No, the first, no, flavor-wise, right?
flavor-wise, it's like there's more things going on.
Yeah.
So I think the skin
Thank you.
it's salty, but what I mean is like compared to most Thanksgiving turkeys, the skin doesn't really have a lot of flavor. So I appreciate that. But the meat itself, I like the first one better.
I think the first one, the meat was juicy, but the flavor was just like pepper. You know what I'm saying?
I see what you
But
mean.
this one has like at least more
Yeah,
interesting.
there's other things going on. There's like a little bit of rosemary.
Oh, you can taste that?
Rosemary,
Damn,
thyme.
look at that palate.
Look.
Sage. You
That
know?
Gordon Ramsay
I don't get
number
any
two
of
here.
No, this is so dry, though.
It's really dry.
It's like really, really dry.
The skin with the meat together.
Go towards your right.
Skin
Keep
is
going,
really
keep
good.
going, keep going.
oh Jesus.
Keep going to your right. Yeah. That's really good.
I feel like
Yo, this fool, yeah.
I feel like this one, the turkey leg, would be really good.
So this is that type of turkey that needs gravy.
Like a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. No,
Lot
this is
of
the
gravy.
type that, you know, like, do you have so much left over the next day?
Taste-wise, the skin's definitely better.
Yeah, but I want crunchy. I want a little bit more crunchy.
I think I like the first one better only because it was crunchier.
I think for me personally, I think how I would sum it up is like the first one, every piece of meat that I had was the exact same. This one, it was like you got some pieces of meat that were really flavorful, some that were not flavorful. And then when it comes to the skin, on this turkey, it tastes like rotisserie chicken. Like skin.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right?
that's a good way to
Yeah,
put
right.
it.
That's the best analogy I can put it.
But you know what? I think the best thing about this is when you eat it, it reminds you of like your Thanksgivings that you had.
Damn.
growing up. I think that's like the biggest thing you get from
That's
this.
deep. I want to give you a fist bump.
Damn,
but
we
I'm
going
afraid
deeper?
how that's gonna
Yeah, well, I might eat you in the face if I should.
I want everybody to check out his place, Charles's plate. The Grinch, who complained the most. He got the least amount of left on his plate, man.
I'm hungry.
The
Good.
last and
One,
final
right?
turkey, yeah.
Final turkey.
Oh,
I don't want to smell it now, but you said you had to. Oh, did
Yeah, I
something
guess I'm
drop?
gonna
Something
smell
just
Yeah,
dropped.
you're good, you're good.
tastes like pork rinds.
Yo, that's a good. Yeah.
Good
What the
analogy.
heck?
The skin, right?
Yeah.
The meat is on the borderline of dry.
Right?
Yeah,
This is
borderline.
dry.
It's like in between the first turkey and the second
Yeah,
turkey. In
yeah,
terms of
exactly.
The consistency of the yeah.
Wait, so between the 3 turkeys you guys had,
Wait, you're asking too early. Wait.
I'll go.
Oh, relax, bro.
Damn.
Yeah. You gotta savor the moment.
All right, go ahead, savor, man.
No, you know, watch your tone, all right? No, you know, if you have the one with the skin on it, the flavor is like,
It's amazing.
it's all over. But when
Well,
you just eat
if
the
it's
meat,
just the meat is really bland. It's not as dry as the first one, but
you need the second one.
yeah, it's not as dry as the second one. But if it's just the meat without the skin, I think I prefer the drier second one.
Really?
This one's just, it
Because
has
it's-
no flavor.
Because of the flavor you're
Yeah.
saying, right? Yeah.
It has no flavor. At least the second one, it was drier, but it had flavor. I can still eat it.
No, I think it's the same case. I had a piece of meat that had flavor on it, but I think it was like a surface piece versus a down under.
Mmm.
It's so bland.
Yeah. It's weird. You know what that chicken tastes like? It tastes like a normal like fried chicken, like chicken breast.
Yeah.
But the flavor of the turkey just isn't like there.
How's
get
this?
some bones in
How's
that
this
pocket.
turkey compared to your guys' like normal experience with Thanksgiving turkey?
This doesn't taste like turkey.
It doesn't taste like cookie. That's a weird thing.
It reminds me of me picking up KFC chicken for my parents and then eating the breast and being so disappointed.
This one just tastes like any other Thursday, Tuesday night. Like, you know, like supermarket.
Supermarket, the Acme joint,
Yeah, supermarket.
cheap chicken
Yeah,
Mondays.
fried chicken. Yeah. You know what I mean? When
I
chicken's
get
like
that
half
joint
off.
every Monday.
Yeah, that's what this tastes like.
Cool.
Number 2, it tastes like Thanksgiving. Like it was a Thanksgiving turkey. It was dry. Whoever cooked it really messed it up. But it was a Thanksgiving turkey.
Yeah, with that number 2 turkey, I drank more than half of my drink.
Yeah.
Once we get big, can we get 2 drinks? Is that
Yeah, dude, you're the finance guy. You got
Yeah.
permission. You have the
Oh.
budget for this?
No, not after this video.
Yeah, you guys clearly took the budget. That's why I got water right here.
Is that writing? Is that what I do?
First, second, third, right?
Yep. You guys good? Young, how about you? Are you using drawings?
Yeah, man. You went to essay?
Yeah, you don't hear me, brother?
Yeah. I was just trying to focus.
This boy just wrote an essay.
Yo, you got some soft.
Okay,
arms.
yeah, that's
Thank you.
that's
Why are you
actually
guys
really
touching each other? Can I get
All right, guys. So here's our results.
Where I am.
Oh.
Sponsored by, honestly. Stay honest.
What did you guys think the first one was?
Sous vide. Yeah.
Sous vide?
Oh, for sure.
Which one did you guys think was the second one?
Second
was
one
definitely
oven.
Baked.
Second
Yeah.
one.
Oven baked. Okay, number 3.
It's fried.
Deep fried.
All right, right on. So you guys hit it all on the nail. What was the total time spent on cooking your turkey, and how much did your turkey cost?
Turkey costs like $35, like all the breast, whatever, vegetables and stuff like that. And it took me 2.5 hours for cooking, an hour and a half for prep. So 3.5 hours, 4 hours total.
So for turkey fryer, I didn't have a fryer, so I picked one up used one time as electric fryer. It's $40. All the other ingredients probably cost me close to like $90. Some of the spices I had, but some of them I didn't. So if you incorporate all of that, it's probably about 90. Cook time though, prep took an hour, and cook, if you include heating up the oil, it took about 3 hours. But if you don't include that part, because you just turn it on and walk away, then it's probably about 2 hours.
Yeah,
So what was
with
that
the sous vide, you can just drop it and walk away. So I'm just saying. I did the math, and mine's is more than 50% cheaper. Just saying.
So my turkey was 12 pounds, but that includes all the bones and stuff. Yours is 7 pounds, including the bones and stuff?
Yeah. 7-pound breast though.
Yeah.
Big breast.
All right, so I did the oven roasted.
Where'd you come from? Yo, where does that come from?
Which angle is better? You know what I'm saying? I did the oven roasted. It cost about $60 total. But the good thing is, everybody got an oven. Most people got an oven, so you don't need to buy some fancy sous vide or turkey fryer or whatever.
Yeah.
You just put that joint in. Prep took the longest, I feel like, for me, because it was a pain. We had to make a custom butter with
It was
parsley.
buttery. Yeah, I did taste that butter.
That was custom butter.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it
was
was
like
good. That
parsley,
butter really got it. I
lemon,
think that's what made it,
garlic, all that stuff. And then I had to stuff the turkey.
I
Then
don't think the stuffing the turkey helped.
Yeah.
and then you had to put the butter underneath the skin. You know what I'm saying? Everywhere, and then on top. And then I had to baste it like every hour and so. So with prep time and cook time, it took about 6 hours.
Oh,
And
all day.
total cost time was like $60.
Oh my
So-
god.
I'm gonna have to change my order.
Yeah. It is. But number 3 was really bad, so it's always gonna be last for me. So it's like this for me. Yeah.
Based on now the cost, the timing, the equipment, and the taste, would you guys change your ranking in any way?
No. I wouldn't cook 2 and 3. That's the only thing I would say. I'll stick with 1 because I have a sous vide machine.
I would change my order.
Oh,
You change your order.
Yeah, I would change my order.
Oh.
I would do
okay.
mine first, and I'm trying not to be biased. I'm really trying not to be biased. I'll do
Trying
mine
not
first.
to be biased.
No, because here's the thing.
But
If
you
I'm
picked
doing-
yours. That's convenient.
Because if we're talking Thanksgiving dinner, right? We're talking a turkey. So I think if you're looking for a Thanksgiving spread, you're talking about a turkey, not turkey breasts. You're not, when you think about Thanksgiving dinner, no one's like, hey, let's do turkey breast or Thanksgiving dinner. It's like you either do something else totally or you do a full turkey.
Okay.
Because of that, I think number 3, because I chose number 3 as a better one versus number 2, especially for cook time, I would do number 3. And then I would do number 1, and then I'd do number 2, because number 2 just takes too much damn time. I can't do 6 hours.
I changed my answer too. I go custom order at Busted Market.
That is the solution for real, for real, for real.
Screw
for
1,
real.
2, and 3.
All right, TGB fan, I'm gonna vote for number 2, which was mine, because everybody got an oven. You know what I'm saying?
Did you just say TGB fan?
That's our new thing. Let's roll.
The guy is blind.
The guy's blind.
So our social media account now is
So,
TGB Fitness.
TVG family. Number 2 gotta be it, because everybody got an oven, and this video is about keeping it real. How many of y'all's, if you don't have a sous vide machine, you're gonna buy one just for a turkey?
I will say that I wonder what would happen if pros who cook turkey all the time in the specific field of like baking versus frying, I wonder if the results would have been different.
Yeah.
Because like with frying, it wasn't supposed to be dry. I just think I'm a noob.
Yeah, no, that's what I was really surprised too.
Yeah, like I thought it
didn't
was supposed
expect
to be. I
that.
thought it was supposed to be juicier. Maybe I just didn't know what I was doing, but I went with 3.5 minutes per pound, 12.75 turkey.
Maybe it was overcooked then?
I think so. I think
I think number 2 was overcooked.
Oh, for
The
sure.
oven,
yeah,
the oven
yeah,
was
yeah. I think
overcooked.
number 3 is also overcooked too.
That's why sous vide, you don't have to even worry about that.
That's true. That's true.
It's easy.
All right, guys, so we did the test and we saw that the cheapest turkey and the shortest amount of cooking time and the most flavorful turkey went to sous vide. So congratulations, Charles, number 1. The least favorite turkey from the group went with, unfortunately, Mr. Honestly over here. And so his prize is he's gonna have to wear, in holiday spirit. You know what I'm saying? We gotta.
Yo, what's going on?
That's what we call giblets.
It's the
That's what we
stuffing.
call giblets. You know what I'm saying? That's what we call giblets around here. You know what I'm saying?
I guess my head's gonna
So
be the new
congratulations.
stuffing. Yo, keeps coming out of here.
He's gonna have to wear this turkey for this video and the rest of the next video we have it going on. So congratulations.
I feel like Dwight from The Office.
Does it smell okay?
No, it smells terrible. It smells like
I can
alcohol.
smell-
You can smell it?
Oh my God.
I can't really smell it.
All right.
I can't see out of the right eye hole.
It looks better than I thought it would. That's great.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it looks great.
All right, guys.
Relax, girl.
So let us know if you guys agreed with us, and also if you guys have a better turkey recipe that we just don't know, and hit us up in the comments, and we'd love to, test it out. So with that,
Thanks for watching.
Like,
Subscribe.
see you guys later.
And comment.
comment.
And if you guys have any other comments of what other videos we want to do, please put it on the bottom somewhere.
You crazy mother.